Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one-of-a-kind video. Today, guys, what we are going to do is a little bit different from the boat series. Still has something to do with the boat series, but not directly with the boat. So as you guys can see here, we have the trailer that did come with my boat. It's in pretty rough shape. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what's wrong with it, but I mean, pretty much a lot of stuff is rusty. The thing on the winch strap is rusted, and then it's a mess, guys. But the reason I wanted to do this video is to show you guys that you guys can go ahead and repair and restore your trailer and make it make sense to go ahead and repair it rather than getting a whole new trailer. Because a lot of you guys are in my scenario where you either have a John boat laying around or you have a Boston Whaler and you need to tow it. So instead of paying thousands and thousands of dollars for a new trailer, we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna restore mine for, fingers crossed, less than 300. So let's get to the video, guys. I'm excited. In this video, we're gonna show you guys the cost of everything and how we're doing it. So let's get right to it, boys. Alrighty, guys, so we went ahead and took apart a lot of the parts in the trailer that we thought needed to be to fix or replaced. So all the hardware that was just extremely rusted, we took off both one of the leaf springs. We got to put a new axle in. So we went ahead and took everything off, and we're gonna put new boards in, and we're gonna go ahead and match it with the stuff at the store and just make sure it's right size, right everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do that to get the new parts. But let me go ahead and show you guys what the trailer's looking like now. So we took one leaf spring off, and as you guys can see, that axle, it needs to be replaced. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Over here, guys, this wood is rotted. We're gonna get new boards, stuff like this. We took off one part, got all the hardware off. So all of our stuff, guys, is right here in this bucket. So like I said, we're just gonna match it. We're gonna go to Lowe's and then Northern Tool, which is another like hardware store, leaf springs and stuff. So I'm actually gonna take you guys with me and show you guys so that you guys can get the best parts for the best price. Because if you go on like other websites and stuff like that, you'll see leaf springs for like freaking $100 each, and the leaf springs at Northern Tool for my trailer, you know, it varies per trailer, but for my trailer, I think it was like 35 bucks a piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get the cheapest parts available for your trailer to, you know, make it worth restoring a trailer. Alrighty, guys, so here is the parts that I actually went ahead and used for this build. So at the top, you guys can see here the hub sets that I had to buy. Unfortunately, you guys will see it later on in the video, I had to get 2 of those. I actually had to get 2 sets of the U-bolts, guys, so in total about 6 U-bolts. Here's the winch strap. It's not the same winch strap, I couldn't find it online, but same price, so that's accurate. And then we actually used the 9.5 inch steel brackets to actually hold the wood on the trailer, so that was that right there. So here's the total price of all my stuff at Northern Tool. Very expensive haul, as you guys can see. It was a lot of money. But good site and company to get good cheap trailer parts from, if you're, like I said, if you're trying to rebuild a trailer on a budget. Here, guys, is another website called Trailer Supply Superstore, sorry, I forgot, brain fart, or Eastern Marine. And here were my leaf springs and axle, and as you guys can tell, those prices are unheard of for that on a trailer. So it was extremely cheap. They shipped extremely fast. So shout out to them. Not sponsored, by the way, but just trying to show you guys good parts. So that's where I got my axle and leaf springs. Then over here, guys, was the lumber I got from Lowe's. So I went ahead and got 2x4s. They were 6 feet long, and those were very expensive. Price of wood's expensive now, but 2 of those, that's the price on screen. And then lastly, guys, as you guys can see right here, this was the trailer carpet that went on top of the wood. You know, you obviously want something good for your boat to rest on. So I got it from West Marine, $30, and that was just enough. So yeah, that's the cost for all the parts. All right, guys, so you guys saw the website that I went ahead and ordered my trailer parts on. Super good website. They actually were legit, shipped super fast. So for my trailer, I actually found out it was a custom trailer. Which means you're not gonna really find the parts easily, and that it was a struggle. So luckily, I found the same leaf springs for my trailer, and you'll never believe it. I think they were super cheap. I think you guys will see in the previous clip, but they were like $24 and some change per leaf spring, which is absolutely insane. So we got new leaf springs for the trailer right here, guys, and then we went ahead and got a new axle for the trailer. Now the axle was great. Believe you guys saw the price in the previous clip, but brand new axle on the trailer too. So basically what we're doing put a new axle in, and it was pretty cheap as well. So yeah, cool. Alrighty guys, so a cost that wasn't really mentioned in the previous clips where I showed you guys the websites and all the cost of the parts was the Lowe's hardware. So it actually makes it easy when you go to Lowe's. You have these bags, you put miscellaneous hardware in there, write down the part numbers, and boom, you got brand new hardware. So instead of getting hardware from a trailer store, literally I think each bag of hardware cost me like $2 each. So I mean, we have a bunch of nuts and bolts around here that just rusted to you guys know what, and we got brand new hardware right here. So an extra cost that wasn't associated with all the costs you guys saw was, I think it was another $46 for hardware, and then we actually got pressure treated wood to go ahead and replace the stuff that the boat sits on, because it just wasn't, man, this wood is just shot and it's gone. So I mean, that's the other cost that was associated with the build. So yeah, I think all in all, I'll pop up the total on screen, and not bad though. I mean, either way, a brand new, like this trailer brand new, was probably like $1,500. So I mean, it's awesome. So let's go ahead and get to the rebuild, boys. Alrighty guys, so a little update on the trailer. As you guys saw, new leaf springs got in. So those are looking a lot less rusty. New hardware on here, so that's looking really good too. And as you guys saw was the axle. So on the previous axle, we had the old hub sets, which of course, you know, why would they fit on the new one? So I just had to go to Northern Tool and buy some new ones. Like 50 bucks each, so that's an added cost of the trailer that we really weren't expecting, but that's there. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the total of that too. We'll add that on the total for the trailer cost in this video, but got those on there. They fit perfectly, and man, this trailer is gonna be practically brand new. So all right, let's get to the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so one of the parts that you guys saw me go ahead and buy online was the winch strap. So little pro tip, instead of buying a brand new winch when it's perfectly fine, it's just the strap that's the problem. The little hook was rusty right here. 20 bucks at Northern Tool, as you guys saw, so it's gonna go ahead and fix that. Alrighty guys, just wanted to do a little update and show you guys that the axle has been put in with the leaf springs. So as you guys can tell, we got brand new U-bolts. You guys saw that we got that from Northern Tool. Here's our axle from Trailer Parts Superstore. And then here, guys, is our brand new hub sets that we had to get, unfortunately, because the other ones didn't fit. But just want to show you guys that this is all already assembled and on, and let's get to putting the boards on. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna go ahead and conclude the trailer restoration video. So I'll pop up the total amount on screen of how much this trailer rebuild actually cost us right here. So you guys see the price. I mean, either way, no matter what it is that we spend on this trailer, it's 10 times better to do this than go out and try to find another trailer, or even buy a brand new trailer that could even cost 1,500 bucks. So I mean, this is the best budget trailer rebuild I think there is. And like I said, if you guys just shop around smart and, you know, really go to the places that I showed you guys early on in this video and get the parts from them, I mean, this trailer looks fantastic, guys. I mean, this is practically a brand new trailer. We got a brand new axle, we got brand new leaf springs, we got brand new hub sets, we got brand new of the wood right there. We got brand new hardware all over here. We got freaking this, I mean, the brand new winch strap. I mean, trailer's practically brand new, guys. So I mean, it's super awesome. I mean, I'm glad that we were able to get it restored and kind of rebuilt for, you know, a cheaper price than, you know, going out and buying a new one. So if you guys like these kind of videos, guys, I'm going to continue to do boating videos, everything boating, everything fishing. So if you like them, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. down below, and please go ahead and like the video. It really helps it out. And leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you have questions, and just feel free to comment, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. One of a Kind, out.